Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparambal. Section 9.5 Hypothesis Test for a Standard Deviation. So, in this section, you are learning how to find the critical values of a chi-square distribution and hypothesis test about the standard deviation of a normal distribution. Hypothesis test for a standard normal deviation is based on the chi-square distribution and denoted by this like a x kind of and a square. The notation chi-square alpha represents the value that has an area of alpha to its right. Find the critical value chi-square 0.05 for the chi-square distribution with 10 degrees of freedom. The critical value is located at the intersection of the row corresponding to 10 degrees of freedom and the column corresponding to alpha 0.05. So that is the critical value. So we will write the critical value (18.307). This is the procedure for the hypothesis test of the standard deviation of a normal distribution. So the formula for test statistic is different. You can see that is n minus 1 s square divided by sigma naught square. And remember, we are using n minus 1 degrees of freedom. So first step is state the null and alternate hypothesis. Choose the significant level alpha and find a critical value with n minus 1 degrees of freedom. Then compute the test statistic. So use this formula to find the test statistic. Then determine whether to reject the null hypothesis or not and conclude. So we can look at that in detail with an example. This is an example of hypothesis test about the standard deviation of a normal distribution. To check the reliability of a scale in a butcher shop, a test weight known to weigh 400 grams as weighted 16 times. For the scale to be considered reliable, the standard deviation of repeated measurements must be less than 1 gram. The standard deviation of 16 measured weight was 0.8 grams. Assume that the measured weight are independent and follow the normal distribution. So this is a normal distribution. Okay. Can we conclude that the population standard deviation of the measurement is less than 1 gram? Use alpha equal 0.05 as level of significance. First check the assumption. So we know that we have a random sample from a normal population. So the assumptions are satisfied. Step 1, state the null and alternate hypothesis. So null hypothesis is sigma equal 1 and alternate hypothesis is sigma less than 1 because here less than. Okay. And step 2, choose the significant level. So significant level is 0.05 and degrees of freedom n minus 1, so 16 minus 1 because you can see 16 times. So 15 degrees of freedom. This is a left tail test because less than, so left tail test. So the critical value chi-square 1 minus alpha. So it will be chi-square 0.95, that is equal 7.261. Now compute the test statistic. I'm going to write the formula at the top. The test statistic chi-square equal n minus 1 s square divided by sigma naught square. So 16 minus 1 0.64 divided by 1 square, that is 9.6. That is the test statistic. Test statistic chi-square equal 9.6. We reject the null hypothesis if chi-square is less than chi-square 0.95. Because 9.6 is greater than 7.261, we do not reject the null hypothesis at the alpha equal 0.05 level. So now you can conclude. So step 4 was whether to reject the null hypothesis or not. Now step 5, we are going to conclude. So we can conclude that there is not enough evidence to conclude that the population standard deviation is less than 1 gram. We cannot consider the scale to be reliable. So in this section, you learn how to find the critical values of a chi-square distribution and the assumptions for performing the hypothesis test for the standard deviation of a normal distribution, and how to perform the hypothesis test for the standard deviation of a normal distribution.